going on, everybody? Welcome to the Backwoods broadcast. Super quick video. My name's Nash out here in the Backwoods, California. Caught word something pretty cool is going on today. Company Cake came out here with a van full of bikes. Cake has these electric motorcycles, street bikes, dirt bikes. Never heard of them, so I decided to come out and check it out.
This one's got a foot brake. These ones are going to have a rear handbrake, which is a bit to adjust to. But once you do, it's actually really nice because you can just, your feet are just planted on the peg. So it ends up being pretty. I mean, I found once I got used to it, it's really nice to just be able to keep your feet locked in. So this the loop is really just like, you'll see it right in front of you. You come down here, I should probably at least angle the excavator to. I'll kind of show you guys all at once how everything works. It's probably the simplest motorcycle you'll ever ride. So we pop the cap on here. It's going to cycle through the lights for us twice. It's going to show us our battery and our temperature gauge there. So we've got 3 ride modes and 3 brake modes. Ride mode, pretty self-explanatory, 1 being the slowest, 3 being the fastest. You do have a little, the computer will give you a little bit of traction control in modes 1 and 2. Mode 3 is going to be all you. Since you guys obviously are familiar with riding, I'll start you at 2. You'll probably flip it up to 3 pretty quick. But 1's probably not gonna quench the thirst for you guys, so I'll start you at 2. The brake modes, 1's going to be a freewheel, so it's like a mountain bike. You let off, there's no engine brake. 2 is going to feel like a 2-stroke. It's going to have a little bit of engine brake. And then 3 is going to feel like a 4-stroke. So it's not quite a bit of engine braking. It's all regenerative engine braking as well. So it's kind of cool. You know, you can use that to stretch out a longer run and stuff. Brakes are moto style. We've got, front on the right, and then obviously it's going to take. You're definitely going to be doing this the first couple times. And we all do that. We all did that. Everyone, we all did that when we first rode them. And it'll take a little time to adjust to it, but once you do, I think you'll find it's pretty nice to be able to keep your feet planted on it. The bike beeps. You can kind of hear it beeping. It's going to beep every couple seconds just to let you know that it's still on. That's pretty much it. Super simple. But I'll start you off. I like to start people with like 2-2. That's what I usually ride in. But feel free to change them around. You can change them while you're moving. You just have to fully let off the throttle. So you can be going as fast as you want as long as the throttle's in. You're fine. Because we don't want somebody being pinned in mode 1 and then flipping it up to 3. One here.
And this is Nash. He's driving or riding. And if you crash, let me see it.
Whoop! No, you gotta take at least 5 laps.
So that electric motor does spin super quick in those corners.
Yeah, it does.
The super loose dirt.
Yep, it spins up, doesn't it?
I slowed down way for the tractor.
Yeah.
And so I was going down slow and I went to go turn. Whoa!
Yeah. And that's with us on it, so.
Yeah.
We got a little more weight to us.
Super lightweight.
Yeah, right?
I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead.
What?
Oh, I know for a fact I'll dump it in the corner next time.
I did.
Yeah.
Super lightweight. It's super light in the corners. Likes to spin out. With that electric motor, doesn't really need any time to rev up. So it's just stop and go. Even with us heavy guys on it, it's pretty light in the corners.
Watch him on that excavator, huh? So for what it is, an electric dirt bike, it's decent.
Yeah.
If you live in the city, it'd be a really good way to get around. From what I understand, he said it was something like from completely dead to 100%, like 2.5 hours of charge. Just a quick recharge from like 20% to 80%. He said was probably about an hour and a half. He said you could probably get about 60 to 70 miles run time on it, city. That's just easy, flat riding. Probably not as much up here where we're at. So the has 3 different power modes. So you don't kick it out from under yourself on level 3 first time you ride it. It has 3 different braking modes. The first one, it doesn't have any engine braking. The second has a little bit of engine braking, and the third has a whole bunch. The second one was like riding a 2-stroke. The third one was like riding a 4-stroke. But yeah, if I had the money, I'd buy one. A little pricey. Super cool product. Ridecake.com. Go check it out.
Hey, did you see that? I got diving in there. Front brake.
You almost dumped it. If you like what you saw, like, share, and subscribe. Share it far and wide. Go check out Cake, ridecake.com. Pretty cool product. And I'll see you next time.